How to connect AirPods to PS5. First of all, what you're going to want to do is go to the top of your PlayStation home screen. So make sure you're at the home screen first of all, by pressing the home button, then scroll along to the settings at the top right hand corner. Go into the settings menu, then you want to scroll down until you see accessories. Click on there, then go to Bluetooth accessories. Then you want to scroll down to where it says accessories found. That's going to be the section where it pops up once you pair your AirPods with your PlayStation by pressing and holding that little white button on the back of the AirPods case and making sure it's also open as well. That's very important, otherwise it will not work if you don't open the case. There you want to click on the AirPods when it pops up on the Bluetooth accessories, click on yes, and then you should be able to connect your AirPods to your PlayStation, and then from there already you can put them in your ears. You'll be able to hear the audio coming through the AirPods on your PlayStation device. So please do leave a like if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.